Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And tonight I am doing a split cup. Very weirdly, I'm going to put greens at the ends, and I'm going to use my rainbow colors in the middle. And I'm going to put black in between these rainbow colors, the red, the orange, and the yellow. And I'm going to put white in between my purple and my blue. And I'm going to leave the green out because I have plenty of green here. So I'm going to put white in between that. I'm going to get right to this because I have a feeling it's going to take forever to get all of this together. So here we go. Okay, so green's going to go on the outer rim here. And all of that in. That was Artist Loft green. And let's get that black over here. And I don't think I was going to put the black there. I was going to put the black in between the rainbow colors. So that was, yeah, that was a weird thing. Okay. Got that green. And I'm not going to put the black because I wasn't going to do that. And now I'm going to put that green. Whoa, and that is full. Okay. Now let's get the greens on the other side. And I'm going to list all the colors, of course, at the end because that's how, you know, at the in my description below, I will list all of these colors. Okay, here we go. Now this is where I'm going to put my black, not where I made my little mistake there. All right, now I'm going to pay attention here because I do not want to mess this up. Okay, so I have my red. I'm going to put a little black there. My yellow. And my black. And my red. Okay. I don't have a lot of red left here. Let me scrape that out into that cup. Okay. Did I do the orange? Might as well finish up the orange on the top. Okay. That. And we're going to fill up. Let's put this purple on the bottom. The Atelier Dioxazine purple. Put a little of that white in between. And I have some this little piggy left. Okay. And some white in between. And I'm going to top that off with the blue. Okay, and that's a very full cup. And oh, I forgot, I remembered I did put in my black, I put some Color Shot metallic black in there to give that a little boost. Maybe I'll top this one off too. So when we start off, at least we'll be in the same ballpark. And let's give that a little topper of white. And just a drop of white there. Now that's a very full cup. And this is a 12 by 12 canvas that I have here. That's my spinner. dry my hands off and give this a torch and see what I have here. I like it. Everyone, about half hour, 40 minutes have passed. I cleaned up my hands, and this is totally awesome. You all saw me pour it. If you didn't see it with your own eyes, I don't know if you would even believe that the colors that I put in that cup is what is on this canvas. But this is the most beautiful thing I've seen from me in quite a while. I love it. It may not be for everyone, but I just love this blue, these purples, the way this is just lines over here. If you could see this in person, the shine from the extreme sheen, there was only two. Well, I guess that little bit of color shot that I put, this is what I put in. I just put a little of this, and it's called Color Shot, and it was designer glasses. And when I tell you a little bit, I don't think I even put like a squirt into my black. And I didn't use much black in here, but the shine that it gave the background is amazing. And I only used a little bit of this little piggy, Nightfall, I think it was, that I used. And yes, I did put iridescent medium. I think it was Liquitex iridescent medium, and about 3 of my rainbow colors. And I will list them below. I don't remember which colors they were offhand. But it turns out totally beautiful. I'm really happy with this. Again, nothing like I thought it was gonna happen. But this is it. I'm really happy with it. Please give me a thumbs up. And hey, I'm gonna be putting new stuff up on Etsy in the next few days. This time I'm really doing it. I have at least 16 paintings going up. So you can give me a visit there in the next few days. I'll let you know. I'll probably give a little sneak peek of all the stuff that's going up. And yeah. So this is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for coming. Bye-bye now. Wait for the close-up. Hi, I'm actually redoing this close-up because it has developed even more over the time that I did this video. And now it's just totally amazing me. The colors that are coming out. There's the greens and the blues and as it's drying, it's just, I'm amazed at the colors coming through and all the pearls that I have. I wasn't sure what I was seeing, but these are pearls. And I'm gonna think this is all from that artist loft that I'm using in between. This is really a stunning piece. Look at that. It's hard to even look at that blue. I don't know if you can see that. It's really gorgeous. Try and get up there. I got some glare from the light above. But I hope you can see that. It really is, it shines. It's gorgeous. I love this, and I hope you do too.